Howdy everyone, this is Corey Pine with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the beautiful East Quarter. We've just walked in from the street and just want to show this off to you. So here's where the concierge is. He's here, he's just stepped away for a minute. Actually, I see him right over there on the left. He's helping somebody, but got a nice concierge desk. And this is what it looks like inside here. So it's a really pretty area. You can see it's unusual because this building is the older part that they've just built on and added, just reused. I really like that. And then over here, you've got a really nice areas that are, you've got like a conference room area that's over here, so you can use that any time. And then you've got some coffee that's over here, and then you've got some leasing offices that are there. And then it's just a fun area. I like it that they've kept these kind of really cool things that are here. Look at that. That is an incredible door, and it slides. That's really cool. It's the original iron door. That's pretty fun. It's got some really unique, fun features. And then, like I said, this is. Oh, look at this door too. Whoa, that is super cool how that slides. That is amazing. So anyway, you've got this amazing door that's here. And then this is kind of the facade of the newer part of the building. So the newer part is back there. So you kind of have this part here, and it separates and becomes this newer building here. Here's the elevators and things like that. So this is the first floor. We're going to go to the second floor. That's where the gym is. And then we're going to go check out the amenities on the 8th floor. There's additional amenities. I think you're going to love those. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, or you want to set up a virtual live tour or a live tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. It's free as a part of our free service.